We've been in business since 2002. Profit Strategies is an executive consulting firm that works with leaders of entrepreneurial manufacturing organizations to improve business performance, return on invested capital, and increase organizational value. We deeply care about helping leaders build great, enduring manufacturing companies that will keep our nation and families strong and create personal wealth. We are ambitious in our quest to earn the designation of an elite consultancy by being tenaciously results-oriented and offering best-in-class insights. We're looking for a seasoned sales hunter or prospector to drive business expansion. Individuals who will bring in new business by approaching business owners on the phone with an insight-oriented approach to help prospects become aware of unknown needs. This opportunity is perfect for the sales professional who enjoys the thrill of the hunt. We'd like somebody with 5+ years of proven regional B2B, new customer prospecting and selling experience in the manufacturing industry and has an existing network of contacts and relationships in CNC, stamping, and other manufacturing. You need to be aligned with our core values of excellence, integrity, and results focused. You must have excellent communication and interpersonal skills and have the desire and drive to bring in new business, are self-motivated and professional, and you can describe the process by which you are successful. Our targeted contract size is $25,000 to $50,000. In 2017, our average contract size was $30,000. We're seeking clients who will invest multiple years because they're elated with the results they get. You find the prospects, we close. A win-win, high-reward opportunity. Our target client and economic buyer is a CEO or president. It may also be a VP or partner that has influence and decision-making authority. All our clients have been family-owned and operated businesses. The industries we target are CNC precision machining, stamping, and other manufacturing, and they generate revenues of 10 to 30 million plus and have 30 or more employees. Our ideal clients want to be on the leading edge and disrupt the status quo in their business and industry. For immediate consideration, submit your current bio. We look forward to talking with you.